why is this the next step for you? What is it that has captured your attention about productivity? And what is it that we all need to learn about it? Because I think it's something that we aspire to, but struggle with.
So here's the thing. Everybody, I'm not against productivity. Being productive is good. Getting big things done is good. Going after your goals and pushing yourself is good. Productivity is just a system. It's a strategy that you apply to figure out how to get from point A to point B. My problem is that our current systems of productivity, the systems that most people use to measure how they get from point A to B, is based on outdated models of thought that were developed during the Industrial Revolution that were never meant for creative work. They're systems that were designed for manufacturing, for standardized tasks. They're systems that were designed for somebody that was doing the same thing over and over and over, who at the end of their shift could point to a pile of widgets and say, I produced the right amount for my shift. We are all in a creative knowledge economy. And this doesn't mean that you have to be an artist or a writer. If you are a thinker or a researcher, if on your job you're collaborating, if you're managing people, if you're helping customers, if you're spotting opportunities, if you're doing communications or designing strategy, or if you work in really any capacity, you're a creative thinker. So humane productivity just says, okay, these outdated systems are not working. They are not working. They are failing us. The World Health Organization declared burnout was a global occupational hazard. So clearly our systems are failing us. So instead of saying, don't work hard or don't pursue your goals, humane productivity asks, what would it look like if we built a system, a strategy, a methodology for our own productivity, but one that is aligned, that is built from the ground up by us, for us, based on our individual wants and needs and energies and rhythms and cycles. And the book is a result of all these experiments that I've done with so many people as to try to figure out how to make it work for them. And what I've learned is everybody has their own unique system. And when you work in alignment with that system, you end up actually exceeding your own expectations.